In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text with images in WordPress. Whether you're building a blog, creating a portfolio, or designing a business website, knowing how to properly align images with your text can make your content more visually appealing and easier to read. Aligning elements effectively is a key part of creating a professional-looking web page that captures and holds your audience's attention. So, stick with me as I walk you through this simple and straightforward process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident adding and aligning images on your WordPress site. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the WordPress website by typing in www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the home page, look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll find the login option. Click on it to proceed. On the login page, you'll see several ways to sign in, but I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This method is quick and secure as it provides a streamlined way to authenticate your credentials without needing to manually input a separate username and password. Once you've clicked that option, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. Select the account and follow the instructions to complete the login process. When you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. From here, look for a section called Quick Links. It's typically located at the top or near the center of the dashboard. Within this section, click on the Edit Site button. This will take you directly into WordPress's visual editor, where you can manage and customize your website. The visual editor is a user-friendly tool that allows you to make changes to your site in real time, so you can see exactly how your modifications will look. Now that you're in the site editor, turn your attention to the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a small plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Click on it to open the block menu. From there, you'll see a search bar appear. Type the word image into the search bar to quickly filter through the available options. Once you see the image block in the menu, click on it. This will prompt WordPress to ask where you'd like to source your image from. In this case, select the Media Library option. This will bring up a gallery of all the images you've previously uploaded to your WordPress site. Take your time browsing through the media library to find the photo you want to use. When you've made your choice, click on the image to highlight it, and then press the Select button to confirm your selection. At this point, your chosen image will be inserted into your page. But we're not done yet. To adjust how the image aligns with your text, look to the top of the editing panel. You'll see an alignment feature with options like left, center, and right. Click on this feature and select the alignment that works best for your design. For example, if you want the image to sit alongside a paragraph of text, you might choose the left or right alignment. Alternatively, if the image is meant to be the focal point of a section, centering, it might be the best choice. Take a moment to experiment with these settings to see what looks most balanced and visually appealing for your layout. And that's it. You've successfully added and aligned an image with text on your WordPress site. By following these steps, you now have the tools to create a clean and professional look for your content. If you have any questions, or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.